Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Super excited. Got something to share with you, but I'm going to wait to the end because it's very cool. Oh, yeah. This is social robotic review, walkthrough demo kind of thing. Again, guys, this is another one of those programs that basically does all this posting for you. It's an auto poster. What's cool about this one? SociRobotic. I think I'm saying it right. SociRobotic. It does all of them. So we just watched, if you want to check out Electrify, which I really like Electrify because it has something that the other ones don't have. Um, it's about building it's about building the audience, whereas these ones are really about just social posting, which you can build an audience by social posting, but that one really sort of really does a lot of the cool automation. I don't have back office access to social robotics, so I don't know if it does that. So I'm going to just show you the demo. We'll walk through the sales page. Again, might be one that, because it does so many, it might work for you. Again, I have Social Post Magic, which is very similar to this. I really only use it for Twitter, guys. I don't automate Facebook because I don't want to keep doing the same post on Facebook because um, you get your account shut down, and I don't want to create a whole bunch of content. But anyways, we'll get into that. So first off, make sure you hit the subscribe button. A big thumbs up. Anybody who has bought programs from my channel lately, because I've been getting a lot of sales off here, thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. And remember, if you buy any of the software and you have any problems with it, don't just run and refund it. Message me. Let's see if we can work through what you're looking for, what it is that you're doing with it, because these programs are just take a little bit of work to set up, and once they're going, they will make their money back. Like it's kind of like they're proven formulas that work. You just have to put in the work to get them going. A lot of people buy them, forget about them, and never do anything with them. That's the way it is. All right, so let's take a look at the demo. It's got music. This isn't one I like demos that they actually talk through the stuff. So this is really just a music one, so you kind of see what it does, and then we'll go through my bonus page. We'll go through the sales page, talk about the upsells, and then what's worth it, and then I'll tell you about something really cool that I've just been working on all day that's making crazy money in just like a few hours. So hang on a second. Let's watch the video. I'll be right back. So basically, you can see they did. I think they were doing a Facebook post. Um, you can see the different social profiles. So let's jump onto the sales page and we'll just take a look through it. Or, um, oh, look at that! It just popped up. See, you can see the pop up. So you can save $5 if you go to scroll off. Soci 5 off and get $5 off. So let's get rid of that. So sorry guys, I got a mess on my windows, stuff that you guys can't see. But okay, so new software drives traffic to your pages and offers from 11 different social media platforms. So they have Reddit, Tumblr, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, VKontakte, I don't know what that is, YouTube, and Odnoklassnika. I don't know what those other two are. I'm sure they are not from North America, but that's fine. Build highly targeted social media following, engage your audience across all networks, manage unlimited social media profiles, auto track your brand name anywhere it's mentioned, auto post to all social media platforms. So this is cool. Auto reply inbox messages and comment on posts with the right words. So that might be doing what I was talking about, that auto replying. No need to waste money hiring a VA, monthly cost. So, and the commercial. I like that this has got the commercial license in there, guys. That's really cool. So again, there'll be a bunch of sales page jargon. You can go and read it. Talking about the problems you're going to have and why you need this as a solution. But let's go down to the meat and potatoes, like I say. So you have, let's see. Actually, guys, this comes with a lot of stuff. This is actually better. I was going through this quickly and I didn't get down this far. Easily post your comment to 11 platforms with one click. Well, that's hard because Twitter only allows so many characters, so you'd have to do it like with so many characters. And I like to sort of max out my characters on different ones. So you might be posting a few different things. Same time with schedule your post feature, I like that. Click and reuse captions in one click, so you can use captions over and over. Add unlimited accounts and groups. Group them by niche or business, which is really nice. So you could have basically an agency. Never lack content for your social media audience. So they're creating content is one thing, but SociRobotic makes it super simple. You can integrate RSS feeds. I use this on my stuff. Very cool. 2 GB of free image storage included for you, so you get up to, so that's a ton of images, guys. Like that's a ton of images. 2 gigs. All the images you will ever need for social media posts. So why built in, oh, so they built in over 1 million royalty-free images. That's awesome. Never miss a trend, ride on to get more traffic. If you want to get easy traffic, the easiest way to do it is spot new trends. So you can simply enter a keyword. So they have the trending hashtags for you, which is great. Post on your blog too without logging into WordPress area. Most of our beta tests said this is the best feature of SociRobotic. You can connect your blogging platform to SociRobotic and post your articles directly to it without leaving. Oh, that's cool, guys. So you're not only able to auto post to social networks, but you're able to use, so you're basically using one hub to send out to all your stuff. Very cool, very cool, very cool content member. 2 inbuilt Photoshop like image editors. So manipulate images. That's another great feature. Unlimited social media management. You will be able to connect unlimited accounts. So even if you have over 200 clients, you are managing. Create unlimited groups, unlimited posts, commercial license included. Actually, guys, as I look at these features, it's a pretty cool thing. There's the video we just watched. So SociRobotic. So they're actually going after a little bit wider scale market than like Electrify and the other ones that are up right now. So because those are really targeted for the single ones. So SociRobotic is going for against Hootsuite. So funny. I used Hootsuite when it came out. So guys, this comes with like $17, $5. You get it for $12. Like it's crazy. It's a value patch. So save hundreds of hours yearly. Absolutely, these programs really save you a ton of time. There's some Fiverr gigs for managing. You could actually go and put up a gig and manage. Okay, so here we go. So 5 premium bonuses. So they're going to give white label reseller access to Xpixely. This plugin allows you to connect your WordPress blog to SociRobotic and curate posts to your blog to get red hot traffic. Cool. White label reseller access to Page Pro. This plugin allows you to connect with your WordPress blog and curate posts to your blog. Oh, they've got the same thing there. Yeah, they're using the same text on there. So free VIP training, free VIP Skype calls, Skype coaching call. Okay, 30-day money back guarantee. So here it is. Unlimited social media accounts, unlimited posts, unlimited RS. So I like this that you don't have to buy the unlimited. It comes on the front end. The bonus reseller access reseller, $70 with $5 off. You get up to $12. We sure intend to make money from it. So so they're gonna go up to a $49 a month. So a lot of these guys, they either stay at what they are and they're not that great of quality, or they do go up in price. Then, like, had some software I didn't grab when it came out, and they went up in price. I was like, kick myself for it. So that's the whole kit and caboodle there. This is early bird pricing. Yeah, this is definitely gonna probably go to a monthly, which is totally fair. So yeah, this is offering a lot of stuff. So guys, my sorry, the video is going to go right here. I'm giving you more traffic tools, guys. Some more traffic tools. Some of the same ones as the last couple of launches, but some extra ones. I love this TweetX, so I'm giving it to everybody that gets it. Cleopatra, I'm using all the time for LinkedIn. It's working really, really well. Then my landing pages, and then some other stuff there, guys. So check out the bonus page. But really, what you're getting is this looks like a great program. Let's go down and look at the OTOs, which are in here. So the front end is going to be 20. Oh, maybe it's 21 and you get $5 off. It's 17, or I don't know. This is what it's 21, 27. So, so the first OTO is agency for $47. Your own dashboard to add and manage team clients. Sales video presentation, professional PowerPoint presentation, and a work agreement template. That's always good. A website to gain. Oh, yeah, and they give you a website too, so that's cool. OTO number 2 for $197. They brainstorm an agency name for you. They design a unique logo for you, and they set up the agency website. So guys, if you're thinking about, like, you're trying to get into the agencies game, this might be a really good foot in the door. So, you know, if you maxed out this product, it'd be 20, 60, 200. And then SociRobotic White Label. We will set up SociRobotic on your own server with all our sales materials, customers. So if you wanted to resell, you're either going to do agency or going to do reseller. White Label $497. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's a downsell on that. So pretty cool. Now, because I haven't been able to get into the back end of it to check it out, I don't know, but seeing that it looks like it's running on the same engine as Electrify and a couple of the other ones I've tried, I think it's going to be no problem. It looks like the same engine that is under the one I use, Social Post Magic. So this might be something. I've been looking for something that does a little bit more, that's newer. So this might be one that I'm going to be picking up. Yeah, so my real review of it, yeah, it looks like a great piece of software. For the price, you really can't go wrong. I love when you can buy something outright, which I actually did today. It was a lot more than, it was like $700, but I bought it because it's going to make me that money back in about 2 weeks, or not even, probably about a week. It'll pay itself off. If it goes like it is today, it'll pay itself off by probably sometime the end of tomorrow. But I think today was just sort of an out of the box kind of thing. It just made some good cash. So yes, so SociRobotic review, absolutely. I would pick this up. Grab my bonuses. Again, it's traffic bonuses. And remember, when you buy products from me, you don't just get my bonuses, which there's probably other bigger bonuses packaged out there, but you get a chance to chat with me. We can get on Skype, we can get on Zoom. If you're having any issues with the software, let me get on there with you and find out what your where you're sort of bogged down, or even if you just want to do like a little call and say, Glenn, I need some help. I'm kind of all over the map. Then we can, jump on the phone, we can jump on Skype, we can jump on Zoom, whatever works for you. So what am I talking about today, guys? One of my favorite programs that I promote over on ClickBank has just launched a like a lifetime one-time fee with all the upgrades in it. I love it. It's been making me money for over a year. Yeah, about a year since the middle of 2020. So yeah, it's been making me money consistently. Residual income month after month. Great program. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to that to sort of the front end of it, and then you'll see how it works and that kind of thing. Because it's really, anyways, I did it. I bought the thing and I just sent it out to my list and sales right away. So I was like, oh, this is cool. So basically it's all the upsells. It's a bit of a beast of a program, but it's everything you really need. Like it is a complete package. So if there's something you're looking for a program to make money with, residual income, and list, it's basically residual income list building, but it's all in one thing. You don't have to have ClickFunnels. You don't have to have, all the other things. You just basically plug all your affiliate links into it, or your affiliate IDs into it, and it just does all the work for you. So anyways, I'll throw that in there just so you guys can check it out. So going back to SociRobotic, yes, I think it's a great I think it's a good product. Again, I haven't been hands-on, but that being said, looking at the other programs that are built on the same engine, it will definitely do all your social posting from one place. I like that it connects to your blog and you're able to send out the blog. Because guys, I have numerous tools that do that stuff, but because I have numerous tools to do that stuff, I kind of just go do the stuff on the platform. Like I'll go post on Twitter, and I'll go post on Instagram, and I'll go post on my blog. Because because I've been doing it so long, I don't want to relearn something. I can do that because I know I'm quick at it. But if I was starting out, I'd probably be looking, yeah, I'm going to learn these, which I probably should do anyway, because I'm going to learn these sort of social posting platforms. That's going to save time for me jumping all over the place. So there you go. There's my little honesty thing for you guys. So I've taught you how to get it for a discount. Remember, scroll off, get the discount. Give me a thumbs up. I would definitely get the front end. What was it? The front end, and yeah, just the Pro. Unless you want to go into agency, guys, you don't need anything else. Just the Pro is going to be the one purchase is going to be everything you need to do it, which is nice. Like seriously, guys, like $18 and you're done. And then if you want to go do some gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, just grab the agency thing. It comes with a website, $47, and go get one client and basically pays for it. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off of here. I'll put the link to that other program I was talking about down below. Check it out. Check out my other links. If you want to know my #1 income producing business, it's the #1 business that's below there. And enjoy the review. Make sure you hit subscribe, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.